How to create an e-commerce from scratch in 30 days. Starting an e-commerce business is one of the best business opportunities in the world today. Digital transformation has revolutionized the way we buy, sell, and interact with brands. And this change has brought a sea of opportunities for entrepreneurs of all types. If you have the desire to start a business but are still unsure of which path to take, an e-commerce business may be the perfect solution. Let's explore the biggest advantages of starting an e-commerce business and how it can become a profitable and sustainable business. First, e-commerce eliminates many of the barriers that entrepreneurs face when starting a physical business. One important point is the low startup cost. There is no need to invest in a physical location, pay expensive rent, or deal with heavy monthly fixed costs. Setting up an online store can be done on a budget, especially with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, and many others, which allow you to create professional stores with a relatively low investment. This means that you can start your own business without the financial risk of opening a physical store. Another clear benefit of e-commerce is scalability. Unlike a brick-and-mortar business, where expansion may require new space, additional inventory, and labor, an e-commerce business allows you to reach a global audience without geographic boundaries. Your online store can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection, anywhere in the world. With the right digital marketing strategies, you can increase your sales and reach new markets with just a few clicks. Global reach is a powerful strategic advantage that traditional businesses simply cannot match. In addition, an e-commerce business offers unparalleled flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere at any time. There is no need to be physically present in a specific location, and this opens up the possibility of having a more flexible business, with work hours that adapt to your lifestyle. If you already have a job or are in college, you can start your e-commerce business as a side business and grow it in your spare time. You can run an e-commerce business from anywhere in the world, as long as you have access to the internet. Total control over your business is another great advantage. In e-commerce, you have complete autonomy over every aspect of your operation. From choosing your market niche, defining your inventory, to creating your marketing campaigns, everything is up to you. There is no complicated hierarchy or rigid processes that you need to follow. Your creativity and vision are the only limitations, and you have complete freedom to make decisions and make adjustments to your business as needed. Speaking of decisions and adjustments, one of the biggest advantages of e-commerce is the ability to test and optimize quickly. In a brick-and-mortar business, changes to marketing strategies or store layouts can require large investments and long periods of time to implement. However, with an online store, you can conduct A/B testing, optimize product pages, change pricing strategies, and run promotions quickly and effectively. Using data to make informed decisions is a huge advantage. With analytics tools like Google Analytics and the metrics provided by e-commerce platforms, you can track consumer behavior, understand what's working, and adjust strategies in real time. In addition, e-commerce allows you to automate many business processes. This includes inventory management, sending marketing emails, processing orders, and more. With automation, you can save time and ensure that your business runs efficiently, even when you're not actively involved. Automation tools also help improve the customer experience by providing faster and more accurate service, which can increase customer loyalty and satisfaction. Another crucial point is that e-commerce is accessible to anyone. It doesn't matter your age, educational background, or geographic location. You can start an e-commerce business with a basic level of knowledge and learn as you go. The internet is full of free and paid resources that can help you understand how to set up and manage an online store. From digital marketing, courses to tutorials on how to use design, tools to improve the look of your store. The learning curve is easy, and there are plenty of communities and forums where you can ask questions and share experiences with other entrepreneurs. In addition, e-commerce allows you to personalize the customer experience, something that can be challenging in a physical store. You can offer personalized product recommendations based on previous shopping preferences, run targeted marketing campaigns, and even create a unique shopping experience for each customer. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases the chances of repeat purchases, which is essential for the longevity of your business. Finally, creating an e-commerce business offers a great opportunity to work with digital marketing, an increasingly relevant skill in the business world. By developing an online store, you will learn how to implement SEO strategies, content marketing, paid advertising, social media strategies, email marketing, and much more. These skills are highly valued in the job market and can open doors to a solid career if you decide to pursue a professional path in digital marketing. For example, in short, creating an e-commerce business offers a unique combination of low startup costs, flexibility, scalability, and complete control over your business. With the ability to reach a global audience, quickly streamline operations, and automate many processes, you are ready to build a profitable and sustainable business. And best of all, you can start today with little investment but unlimited growth potential. The digital world is constantly expanding, and there is no better time than now to take advantage of this opportunity. With an e-commerce business, you have everything you need to turn your ideas into a successful business. Creating a successful e-commerce business may seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, you can turn your idea into a profitable and sustainable business. Below, we will detail a practical guide with management tips and strategies to maximize profitability. focusing especially on how to take advantage of offers and promotions. Step 1. Define your niche and market research. The first step is to choose a market niche that you are interested in, and that has profit potential. This could be something you have experience in or are passionate about, but it also needs to be something that has demand and healthy competition. Research what's trending and what problems people are trying to solve. For example, you could focus on a niche like health, sustainable fashion, technology, or even pet products. Top tip: use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Instagram or TikTok to understand what's being discussed and what types of products are attracting the public's attention. This will help you identify a promising niche with less competition and more demand. Step 2. Find your suppliers. Now that you have a defined niche, the next step is to find the right suppliers. Depending on the type of product, you can choose from local international suppliers, or even create your own products. The most common options include dropshipping, in-house inventory, or on-demand manufacturing. Dropshipping is a great option for those just starting out, because you don't have to invest in large amounts of inventory, minimizing the initial risk. Top tip: check the reliability of the supplier. Place test orders to ensure product quality and on-time delivery. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Sale are great sources for finding reliable suppliers if you have your own inventory. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which offer integration with multiple suppliers and make it easier to manage. Step 3. Create your online store. With your niche and suppliers defined, it's time to create your online store. There are several e-commerce platforms that allow you to create a store easily, even without programming experience. Shopify is one of the most popular, offering ready-made and customizable templates as well as full support. If you're looking for something more economical, WooCommerce is a good option, especially for those who already use WordPress. Top tip: choose a clean and functional design. Your website should be easy to navigate, with an intuitive shopping experience. Remember that first impressions count a lot. The platform should be responsive, that is, it should work well on mobile devices, since a large portion of consumers buy via cell phones. Step 4. Define your pricing strategy. A crucial part of managing your e-commerce is defining a competitive pricing strategy. The price should not only cover the cost of the products, but also generate profit. To do this, you need to take into account all the costs involved, such as platform fees, shipping costs, taxes, and also the value of your time. Important tip: be strategic about offers and promotions. For example, create discounts for bulk purchases or for new customers. You can also run seasonal promotions such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or exclusive discounts on special dates. Another trick is to offer free shipping to increase sales volume. Test to see which type of promotion generates the most return, as poorly planned offers can hurt your profit margins. Step 5. Invest in digital marketing. Now that your store is ready, it's time to attract customers. Digital marketing will be your main tool for generating traffic and increasing your sales. The first strategy is to optimize your website for search engines, SEO, so that it appears in Google searches. This includes choosing keywords relevant to your niche and applying them strategically in product descriptions, titles, and blog articles. In addition to SEO, invest in paid campaigns on Google Ads and social networks such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Using digital influencers can also be a great way to increase visibility and generate sales quickly. Choose influencers whose followers align with your target audience. Top tip: a good way to quickly increase visibility is to offer discounts or free products to influencers in exchange for promotion. This can yield a good return on investment, as influencer marketing has great persuasive power, especially on more visual platforms like Instagram. Step 6. Provide quality customer service. Customer service is one of the pillars of building a solid brand and building customer loyalty. If someone has a question or problem with their order, you need to provide fast and efficient service. This doesn't just mean responding quickly to emails or messages on social media, but also being available to resolve issues such as returns, exchanges, and issues related to product quality. Important tip: invest in automation systems to answer frequently asked questions, FAQs, and use chatbot platforms to resolve simple issues more efficiently. This can save you time and provide 24/7 service to your customers. Step 7. Monitor and analyze results. After launching your e-commerce, the work doesn't stop there. Now it's time to monitor your store's performance and understand what's working and what can be improved. Use tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Shopify's own platform to track key metrics like conversion rate, site traffic, time spent on page, and cart abandonment. Top tip: based on the information you gather, you can optimize your website and marketing campaigns. If you notice that a lot of visitors are abandoning their shopping carts, try offering a discount to complete the purchase or an email reminder. Promotions can be a powerful tool to reduce this type of problem. Step 8. Scale your business. As you start generating sales and have a good understanding of how your e-commerce business works, it's time to think about scaling. This involves increasing production capacity, expanding your product offering, or expanding into new markets. You can invest in more advertising, increase the variety of products offered, or even explore international sales. Top tip: always look to optimize your processes. As you scale your business, automating tasks like sending marketing, emails, or managing inventory can help reduce costs and improve efficiency. Creating an e-commerce business is a journey that requires dedication and effort, but the rewards can be immense. By following these steps and adopting good management practices and marketing strategies, you will be on the right track to building a profitable and successful business. Remember, the key to success in e-commerce is being flexible, constantly optimizing and focusing on the customer experience. With time, effort, and the right strategies, your e-commerce business can become a true sales machine. So, guys, did you like the content? Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the new content, and share this video with those who are also looking to get started in the world of e-commerce. Let's turn ideas into great opportunities together.